Introducing the Snooze feature. With Snooze, managing your LinkedIn messages just got a whole lot easier. With Snooze, you can now compose LinkedIn message replies and schedule them for later delivery. Whether it's in your messaging, My Contacts, or Campaigns inbox sections, Snooze is here to streamline your communication. Simply compose your message, click on the Snooze button, and voila! You can schedule your reply for later today, tomorrow, or Monday. Need more flexibility? Choose Custom to pick the exact date. It's all about giving you more control and helping you stay organized. Simply compose your reply, schedule it, and get back to what matters most. You can view all your scheduled messages in your messaging window and cancel sending with just one click if needed. Try out Snooze today and experience messaging on your terms. It's another way we connect is making your LinkedIn prospecting easier.